Hi, in this video series, you're going to learn how to create a membership site from scratch. That's right, from scratch. In fact, from this point on, you don't need to know a lot of technical knowledge. As you already know, membership sites can be very profitable. In fact, you can create recurring income just by setting up a membership site, or you can create continuous income. One of the most important things in starting a membership site is planning it out in the beginning. If you don't have a good plan to start your membership site, then when you're in the middle of creating the membership site, sometimes you might just get stuck. Now, creating a membership site from scratch consists of several things. So in this specific tutorial, I am going to show you what you need to know before you get started and what tools and scripts you need before you get started. Some of those questions can be, what topic is this membership going to be on? Is it a topic that you're passionate about? What products are you providing? Are you providing ebooks, software, video products, or some sort of intangible products? In this video series, I'm going to presume that you already know the topic of your membership site. Let's assume that you already have the topic that the membership site is going to be on. And let's assume that you already have the zip files of the products that you will be providing. If that's the case, let's move on. Now, one of the big questions is, how do you create a download page? See, creating a download page is very important. Assuming that you already have the files, I can show you how to easily create a download page from scratch without having to know any HTML coding. Especially if you know how to use a program like Microsoft Word, then you're going to easily know how to produce a download page. This page is very important because this page is going to be the page that your members are going to see, usually initially after they pay. The next question is how to create a member-friendly site. So how do you create a member-friendly site? How do you make the experience user-friendly for your site? And we'll just go over those later on. Now, getting to the more technical part, what membership script should you use? Now, the membership script is very important because it allows your customers to purchase the product and then immediately go to some secured password area that protects your files and information from being stolen from thieves. Finding a good membership script to use as an administrator, meaning you create the products and you create a system that makes it not only easy for the user, but it makes it easy for you as a user. And just to name a few that don't charge an arm and a leg, there are a few such as Amember, DL Guard, and JV Manager. In this specific video series, however, we're going to go over the script called Amember, since it's a script that I am quite familiar with. So it's up to you what membership script you use, but in this video series, we're going to go step by step on how to use Amember to set up your membership site. Another big question is, how will you interact with your users? Will you interact with them through a blog? Will you interact with them through a forum, etc.? And we'll just show you exactly how to set up a WordPress blog and how to set up a small machines forum, which looks quite nice and allows you to interact with your users. So after I show you how to install the Amember script, how to set up the Amember script settings, and how to create products and how to create a security for your products so that you can protect your site, and not only that, how to test it to make sure it works. Alright, so now that we know all that, we can actually do a little brainstorming here. What you need to know before you get started are things like, what is your topic? What will you be selling? And most importantly, what will your members see? So if we answer that question here, so my topic is going to be on WordPress tutorials. So I can say something like WordPress video tutorials. I will be selling video tutorials. So I can just say WordPress training up here and video tutorials as what I'll be selling. So now that we have those answers, we need to ask ourselves, what will your members see? What will they see? So while we're brainstorming here, we can say that the first thing that they see is a sales page. The second thing that they see is when they're interested, they purchase the product, they purchase or they pay. Then the next thing is after they purchase or they pay the product, then they see the download page. So they can access that. The download page can be made up of multiple pages, something like announcements, a training center, download page, and I'll show you all of that later on when we get to it. They can access a blog or a forum. It's really up to you, and I'll show you how to link your blog or forum to your download page. If you have an affiliate program, they can access your affiliate program to sell your products. They can receive your newsletters or newsletter archives, and in that case too, that means that you can actually email your customers and your members, which is very good too. So with all that in mind, let's go ahead and get started with actually producing the download page in the next video.